How to fix the tap to load error on Snapchat and if it is not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix the tap to load on Snapchat and how you can fix if it isn't working, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix the tap to load issue on Snapchat and to fix if it isn't working, what you have to do is first of all just try to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi. This may also happen due to other reasons, such as if the cache applications or the cache files get corrupted from your Snapchat app. And to fix this, you want to tap the profile icon from the top left, tap the gear icon from the top right, and then just scroll. Look for this option called clear cache, right? So you just want to go to this option called clear data here, and then you want to go to this option called clear cache that you can find from the bottom. Do not worry, your filters are not going to delete it. These are some of the only cache files that your app has stored over here. Now once you've done that, if it solves, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, open up the settings app, then just go to general, then just go to iPhone storage. Then once you come to iPhone storage here, what you want to do is you simply want to look for the Snapchat app in this case. So let me go ahead and look for the Snapchat app here. Tap on it, tap on Offload App button, tap on the offload option. Then after you've done that, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to reinstall the app, and then this time it should most likely solve it. Last but not the least, what you want to do is simply open up your app store. In the search box, type in Snapchat. If it has an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve the problem for you. If it did help, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.